afternoon to everyone. In this video, we will be use the another method by using the equation we have find out the energy level for the different molecule. For simple understanding, we will take the example of ethene molecule because in our previous video we have solved the secular determinant for the ethene molecule, and same here by using the equation we are find out the energy level for the ethene molecule. And when we look to both of the equations, you understand very well. Okay, so the equation for that linear molecule, example is CH2 double bond CH2. So friend, if you remember, this is the equation alpha plus 2 beta cos I k n plus 1. In our previous video, I was write down the equation in that form. Ej is equal to alpha plus 2 beta cos pi j upon capital N plus 1. Okay. So friend, here also that equation is same. Both the equation is same, only denotation is different. K is the constant, alpha and beta, those are the energy levels, pi is the constant, K is again constant, N is the number of carbon atom and K is the level. So friend, remember this thing is very important. N is the carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms, and K is start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. How many carbon atoms are present in the given system? On that basis, we putting the value of K, which are considered as a constant in this equation. Okay, now we discuss the example of ethene molecule. So in ethene molecule, number of carbon atom is 2. Therefore, K value is come to first time K value K is equal to 1 and second time the K value is K is equal to 2. Okay, hope you understand this. So as a solve this equation, and of course this equation for the acyclic molecule, when I consider K is equal to 1 for carbon number for N is equal to 2, when equation is come here, Ek means E1 is equal to alpha plus 2 beta cos pi upon N is the number of carbon atom, that is a 2, 2 plus 1 is a 3, when alpha plus 2 beta cos pi means 180 degree, okay, 180 by 3 alpha plus 2 beta cos 60 degree, and value of cos 60 degree is nothing but the 1/2 alpha plus 2 beta into 1/2, 2 will be get cancelled. So friend, look toward this alpha plus beta. This is the first energy level. Now the second one, when we consider K is equal to 2. Okay, when K is equal to 2, I just substitute the value of K into this equation. I got here pi 2 pi by 3. For mathematics students, it's very easy, pi minus pi by 3. Okay, this is also one of the conversion, and another conversion is 360 alpha plus 2 beta, 360 by 3 alpha plus 2 beta 120 cos, of course, substitute cos here. Here pi minus pi by 3. You will get the value of cos minus 1 by 2 to minus 1 by 2 cos remaining term here, and 2 will be get cancelled. You will be get alpha minus beta. So friend, this is the two energy level. You should use the log table or calculator, scientific calci, to find out the cos value here. And when we draw the energy level for the ethylene molecule, we will got the 2 electrons at the lower energy state, that is alpha plus beta, and higher energy state, that is alpha minus beta, and this state is denoted by psi 1 and this state is denoted by psi 2. So friend, in this way we will got the energy levels related to acyclic molecule as well as cyclic molecule. Hope you understand, and in our next video I will definitely try to attempt the another example and Frost diagram also.